Here's a model 26,000. Technically it should be a model 26, but the motor housing is off of a painted one. And technically everything else is the 26. I swapped all the motor stuff over. It was in a deal, there was 2 of them, and I restored both. And I would get this one for free if I did all the work. And I was supposed to get the chrome one, but that went through, so I just swapped everything over. So technically it's not correct, but it doesn't matter. It's just the housing. But I am selling this one. The guy who's gonna get it is gonna be very impressed. The blade is absolutely mint. It's in great shape. I mean, like, look at that. There's no nicks. Actually, there's a little bit, but this thing's been running non-stop for a whole 3 months. So here it is on high. It's pretty powerful. Sounds awesome too. This thing is crazy powerful for the efficiency. Well, over here it's still a massive breeze. Look at the tag, it's moving like crazy. The efficiency of this motor is kind of crazy. Forgot how efficient it was. I've been running this thing on low all the time, so it's probably drawing like 0.7 amps. And it's dead quiet on low, but here's medium, or technically speed 2. I mean, it's still a great breeze. Honestly, if you really want efficiency, I'd run it on 2 because it draws like quarter less of the amperage. Speed 3. Still moves a ton of air. Speed 4. Technically, I wouldn't really sell this, but I need the money right now to pay off some stuff, so it's sad to see it go, but I'll get a few of these in the future. Oh, shit. I mean, still an amazing breeze all the way over here. Especially for the sound level. This is great. Plus, It sounds awesome. These always had a soft spot in my heart. There's 5. This is what it runs on when I've had it for 3 months. Or well, I've had it for a long time, but used it 3 months straight. Dead quiet, and it moves the air all the way over here. Since we don't have central air, we need that window AC, so this does the job. Oh, shit. Don't want to knock that over. I mean, the spin down time is pretty good. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.